The human body isn't an automobile. You'd be surprised that this is even said. Believe it or not, it's something that we hear often. Insurance adjusters believe that people are like cars, that they just get better, that you can just take yourself to the body shop and be cured. We know it's not true. It's dumb to say, but it's a presumption that the industry has. I recently had a client who went to their doctor because the insurance company just wasn't believing that they were still injured. And the doctor wrote a letter, and it was fabulous. I'm gonna read it to you. The human body is not an automobile, and it's less resilient given the same force. And this is really key, and I wanted to share this with you. The force applied to a car, think of a rear end accident or any type of accident, it can be significant. But a car is massive. It's a big metal box. It can absorb the force. You're in the car and you're restrained. There's safety systems built around you to cushion the blow, to protect you as the occupant. Of course, if you're hit as a pedestrian, for example, you don't have the big metal box, you don't have the seatbelt, you don't have the airbag. And so what happens? Bones break, people get hurt, head injuries happen, people need to go to the hospital, people need incredible levels and extents of rehabilitation because you don't have the same security. So it's ridiculous for an insurance company to say, just get better, take yourself to the garage. New panels, a little bit of body work, and you're good to go. My name's Jeff Mitchell. I'm a personal injury lawyer, principal lawyer and owner of Nova Injury Law. I help personal injury victims every day. I know how serious injuries are, and that in reality, people aren't cars. People just don't get fixed. There's a need for ongoing rehabilitation. There's a need to appreciate diagnosis and prognosis. My clients have genuine injuries, ongoing injuries, injuries that impact themselves, impact their family, impact their work, and impact the things they love to do. So when we think about a personal injury claim, we need to make sure that the person is fairly compensated for their injuries, the short-term ones and the long-term ones. It's never about fixing a car. You can't do it. It's not possible. And a lot of my job is about fighting back against insurance companies who say it wrong, who get it wrong, because they're interested in profits, not people. They're interested in closing claims, not compensating people fairly. If you have questions about an unfair adjuster, about an insurance company representative who isn't respecting your pain, your suffering, your experience, and your reality after a car accident, you should ask me questions. At Nova Injury Law, we're about helping people through education by giving them information so that they can make informed decisions about their rights. I do this work every day, and I assure you that your question is not a new one to me. It's very easy for me to give you answers to the questions that you have. So don't sit back and wonder, just ask and I'll give you the answer. You can reach me by phone, email, text, whatever's easiest for you. I just want you to ask the questions so that I can help you with answers. So reach out today. I wish you all the best with your claim, and if I can help you, just by giving you information or being your personal injury lawyer, I'm here to help. Take care on your path to recovery.